For some of you that are tired of looking for job opportunities from your home country before moving abroad, this is a golden opportunity for you to move to Spain. In November 2024, the government of Spain announced this amazing opportunity whereby it's opening our doors to immigrants to move into the country to work, live there permanently. Because of the aging population of Spain, a lot of their workers are getting retired and there are vacancies and labor shortages in the country. So the government has tried to lessen the immigration policy so as to allow immigrants to move in. Guys, this is a golden opportunity for you because a lot of people are not looking at Spain like Canada, UK and the US, and this is very new. This is a new announcement that the government of Spain made public in November 2024, that you can come into Spain and look for a job for 1 year. Come in there basically to look for a job, and they will give you 12 whole months to look for a job. And then you can now transit from your job seekers visa to work permit, and then you can apply for your permanent residency, live there permanently if you wish. This is an opportunity you will jump right on because the process is so seamless, easy. Is what you would do by yourself. You don't need an agent to help you do it. You're just going to fill an application form, submit your documents, and they will get back to you with your visa. Then you can prepare to move to Spain, stay there for a whole year. Of course, there's no way you will stay in a country for even 6 months without getting a job offer, especially now that they are currently experiencing labor shortage because of the aging population. Guys, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the eligibility criteria and the application process and what you need to know about this amazing job seeker visa. So if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe on this channel. All I do is to help make your immigration abroad seamless and easier. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Thank you for your massive support. Even sometimes before you watch the video, you like, and all of the shares, comments. I really appreciate you guys. Please do well to like, share and comment as usual. Thank you. So without wasting time, let's dive right into the video. This is why you should move to Spain. Spain, of course, is one of the European countries, and it's a very beautiful place to stay with a vibrant lifestyle and beautiful landscapes. Living in Spain offers a unique and enriching experience. There's quality of life. Spain consistently ranks high in quality of life. And this is due to its excellent healthcare system, pleasant climate, and strong emphasis on work-life balance, guys. Then Spain is having a very thriving economy. Spain has a diverse economy with thriving industries such as tourism, renewable energy, information technology, and manufacturing, providing a wide array of job opportunities. Then you will also have access to the EU benefits, and as a member of the European Union, Spain offers numerous benefits including possibility to travel and work within other EU countries, which can further enhance your career prospects. Guys, if you have been trying to move to the other European countries, if you would just begin with Spain, it will be easier for you to move to every other European country. So this can be a stepping stone for you. Don't wait until you land that job in UK. Move to Spain, get a job offer there, then you can move to any other European country, or even build your financial capacity, and you'll be able to move to Canada, USA, or your country of choice. Are you looking to work in Spain? A job seeking visa for Spain, also known as the working visa in Spain, allows individuals to explore job opportunities in this vibrant country. This visa is designed for those eager to live and work in Spain, offering a straightforward process to pursue employment opportunities that match your skills and ambitions. So whether you are drawn to Spain's cultural richness and career prospects, or simply seeking a change of scenery, understanding the job seeker visa in Spain can be your gateway to new professional possibilities in this beautiful Mediterranean nation. So the job seeking visa for Spain is designed for individuals who want to stay in the country while looking for employment. And this visa allows you to experience life in Spain and search for a job that matches your skills and career aspirations. So unlike other visas that require a job offer before arrival, the job seeking visa gives you the flexibility to find the right job once you are already in Spain. So what are the eligibility criteria for this job seeker visa in Spain? Before you apply, try to ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for the job seeker visa in Spain. Generally, you will need your valid passport, guys. Then you need your proof of sufficient financial means to support yourself during your stay. So they want to be sure you can support yourself while looking for job. So another thing is your health insurance coverage. So basically those are the three requirements. You really do not need a criminal record. And gathering your documents to apply for the job seeker visa in Spain, you will need several key documents. You need a completed visa application form. You're also going to need to submit your recent passport size photograph, then your valid international passport, your proof of financial means, that's your bank statement. Then you would need your health insurance coverage, as well as a detailed CV and proof of qualification like degrees or certificates. Having all these documents ready and organized will make the process smoother and quicker, guys. For the application process, you need to book an appointment. So once you have all your documents in order, then it's time to submit your application. You can do this at the Spanish consulate or embassy in your home country, guys. So what you need to do is to book an appointment in advance. Then you're going to bring all your required documents. You would have to attend the appointment and submit your application, and you would answer any question the consulate staff may have about your plans in Spain, and the consulate staff will review your application and may request additional information if needed. So it's so straightforward. There's no back and forth in the application process. So after submitting your application, there is a waiting period while the consulate processes your request. This can take several weeks, so in few weeks, and during this time you just need to be patient, and you have to regularly check your email and phone for any update or request for additional information. And you need to prepare for your move to Spain by researching housing, job opportunities, and other essentials. So the waiting period is crucial, so make sure to respond promptly to any communication from the consulate. So you have to be friend with your email, because they could reach out to you, if they need further information or if your visa has been approved. So getting a job seeking visa for Spain is a fantastic opportunity to explore new career paths and enjoy life in one of Europe's most vibrant countries. So guys, with the right preparation and determination, you can make your dream a reality. So guys, this is an amazing opportunity for you. So guys, if you are interested, the first step you need to take is to gather your documents. Then you begin your application process, fill the form, attach your documents, and you're going to take it to the Spanish embassy in your home country, submit your documents, and you would need to wait for them to respond back to you. So while waiting, you can start looking for a job, communicating with the employers in Spain that you're already processing your visa and all of that. Just get ready, and I wish you the best of luck. This is still very hot because a lot of people are not moving to Spain, so it's a golden opportunity for you.